Hi friends, in basics of mathematics classes, in previous of class we learned about LCM, HCF and fractions. In today basics of mathematics classes, we are solving some problems on LCM, HCF and fractions. Okay, these are the problems. Now we are going to solving LCM, HCF and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the fractions. Okay, look at the board. Now first problem is find out LCM of 12, 15 and 21. In previous classes I said about the clearly about the LCM. So LCM what is? At least two numbers is divisible by single number. At least two or more than two numbers is divisible by single numbers. So take the LCM process is whatever the numbers are given, all those number take at a time in LCM. Okay now, but there is a little bit difference in HCF. HCF is finding factor of every numbers to find check after finding factors. After you are going to check which is the highest common factors. Okay now find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. 12, 15 and 21, you take all numbers at a times and you check which at least two or more than two numbers is divisible by single digit single number or not. So I am checking. So 12 is also possible to divisible by 3 and 15 and 21. So you take 3, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, next 3 7 ja. So next again you are going to check at least two number is possible to divisible by single number or not. So it is the 4 table and this is the 5 table, this is the 7 tables. All numbers are having different tables. So now it is not possible to divisible by single number at least two numbers. So whatever the numbers are become LCM, multiples of LCM. So now LCM is equal to 3, 4 into 5 into 7. So multiply. So 12, 4 3 ja 12, 12 6 ja, sorry 12 5 ja 60 and 67 ja 6 7 ja 42. What is how many zeros? 1 0. So LCM of those number becomes 420. Okay, LCM of those numbers become 420. So come to next problem. Come to next problems. Let's you take how many numbers? Three numbers. Whatever the numbers you take at a time in LCM, and now you are going to check at least two number is divisible by single number or not. So these all numbers are divisible by 2. Yes, 2. 2 3 ja, next 2 3 ja 6 is remainder 1, 2 6 ja, next 2 6 ja and 0. Next again you are going to check at least two number is divisible by single number or not. Yes, these all numbers are divisible by 3. These all numbers are divisible by 3 or these two numbers are divisible by 2. So now I am taking 2. So 3, next 2 1 ja, 2 18 ja, next 2 30 ja, next again these two numbers are divisible by 2. So I am taking again 2, 3, next 2 9 ja, next 2 15 ja, next again you are going to check these two among these three numbers is divisible by single number or not. Yes, these all numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, next 3 5 ja. Now you are going to check these all numbers are divisible by single number or not. So not, because of 1 is different table and 3 is different table and 5 is different table. So now end the LCM and whatever the getting outside of the numbers you multiply, those multiplies becomes LCM of these numbers. So LCM is equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into next 3 into 5. So multiply all numbers. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 1 ja 24, next 24 3 ja 72, 72 5 ja. So you take here 72 5 ja 10, 0, 5, 36. So LCM become 360. So LCM of this all numbers how much? 360. Okay, come to next problem. Come to next problems. You take find of LCM of 7 11 13 and 2. So whatever in LCM you follow the condition. In LCM how many of numbers are given, all those numbers you take at a time. All numbers you take at a time, and now you are going to check at least two numbers, at least two number is divisible by single number or not. So you are checking this is the 7 table, this is 11 table, this is the 13 table, this is the 2 tables. So there is no possible any one of number is divisible by any two of numbers is divisible by single number. So in that conditions multiples of those numbers become LCM. Multiples of those numbers become LCM. 13 into 2. So 7 11 ja 77. Next into 77 13 ja. Let's you do here 77 13 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21 plus 2 23. Next 3 1 7 ja 1 7 ja. Next 1 0 1. Next 10 101. Sorry 1001. 1002 ja 1002 ja 2002. So LCM of those number how much? 2002. Okay, 2002. So next, this is the fourth problem. This is your problems. You solve in the same manners and make the perfect answers, and that answer put in comment box. Next, some problems following on HCF. These problems are now we are going to solving in HCF. Find HCF of 96 and 120. So what said I condition in previous classes? HCF is little bit different between LCM and HCF. Okay na? In LCM, whatever the number given, all numbers you are taking at a time. But HCM that like HCF is not like that. Okay na? In HCF you find the every number of factors. So I am now taking 96. 96 is divisible by 2. So 2 4 ja 248 ja. Next 2 2 ja 2 4 ja. Next 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Next 2 6 ja. Next 2 3 ja. Next there is no possible to divide. So these all numbers are the factors of 96. These all numbers are factors of 96. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 into 3 slots. Now again you are going to find the all factors of 120. So 2 6 ja. Next 2 60 ja. Next 2 30 ja. Next 2 15 ja. Next 3 5 ja. Next there is no possible, or you can take 5 1 ja as your wish. Okay na? Or you are stopping. Why I am stopped here? Again you 5 is repeating, that's why no need to do up to end. You are stopping here, that's also become answer. So now 120 factors are 1 2 3. 2 1 ja 2 ja 2. Next 3 into 5. So what is the HCF? HCF is highest common factor. HCF is highest common factor. So check among these two in these two numbers what are the common factors. So here 2 is one common factor. Next again 2 is one common factor. Next again 2 is common factors. Next again here 2, but in this digit there is no 2. Here again 2, but here no 2. So again here 3, so here also be 3. So whatever the commons in two numbers, when we are finding factors, in that times whatever the common in two numbers, those factors we can take. Okay now we can take here 5, but in this 96 there is no 5. Then you stop. Now again you are going to multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So HCF of 96 and 120 how much? 24. Okay, understand? Next problem is 35 15 18 20. So every time you are finding factors. Every time finding factors. 35 factors are, it's divisible by 5. 5 7 ja. Next 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Next 15. 15 is 3 5 ja. Next 15 is equal to 3 5 ja. Next 18. 18 is 2 9 ja. Next 3 3 ja. There is next 18 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next again 20. Again 20 is the factor. 2 10 ja. Next 2 5 ja. Next 2 10 ja. Next 2 5 ja. So 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Let's you are going to check. in this all among the numbers, which is the highest common factors, which is the highest common factors. Let's you check here 2, here 2, but in these two numbers there is no 2, but leave about the 2. Next you are checking 5, here 5, here 5, here 5, but in this condition in 18 there is no 5. So next 7, here, here 7, but in these three numbers there is no 7. So in among these all four numbers nothing be common. So in that conditions the HCF becomes 1. HCF becomes only 1. There is no factors, no common factors, then HCF become always 1. So this question for you, solve this question in the same manner and make answer in comment box. Next, solving these problems. So 72 you find the 2, 236 ja, next 2 1 ja, 2 18 ja, next 2 9 ja, next 3 3 ja. So you are again solving 3 1 ja 3. There is no use of 1. That's why I stopped there. But as your wish, you are solving up to 1. So 72 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So next 18. 18 is equal to 2 9 ja, next 3 3 ja, next 3 1 ja, as your wish. Next 18 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into. If you are putting here 1, there is no use of 1. So you leave out about the 1. Okay. Next 80. 80 factors are 240 ja, next there is no appearing. I am here. 240 ja 80, 220 ja next, 210 ja next, 25 ja next, 51 ja. So 80 factors are equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Let's you are going to check. HCF means highest common factors. In among these three numbers, the common factor is 2. Again you are check here 2, in this numbers 2, but there is no in this number there is no 2. Next you are going to check in these two numbers there is a 3, but in last number there is no 3. So next here 5, but in these two numbers there is no 5. So what will become now factors? Highest common factor is next HCF of those number is how much? 2. Okay, now let's you go and check there is any common factors. Here 2, here 2, but in this number there is no 2. So here 3, here 3, but in this number there is no common factor of 3. So here 5, in these two numbers there is no common factor of 5. So only common factor is becomes 2. So the highest common factor of 72, 18 and 80 is 2. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to I am solving. So this is question for you. Solve in the same manner and make the answer in comment box. Okay, next some problems on fractions. So now some problems following on fractions. So fractions, in previous basics of mathematics classes we discussed about the fractions, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, division of fractions and multiplication of fractions. What is the like fractions and what is the unlike fractions? What is the like fraction of addition, unlike fraction of addition? Okay, we discuss. Let's you find out in this all problems on going on addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So this problem, look at the problem. So this problem is appearing like addition and subtraction of problem. So but this is, let's you go and check, this is the unlike fraction of addition or like fraction of addition. What is the difference between unlike fraction and like fractions? Like fraction means whose denominators are same. Like fraction means like fraction means whose denominators are same. Unlike fraction means whose denominators are different. So here when I am appearing this, when I am observing this problem, so these denominators are same. So this is the like fraction. When becomes a like fractions, so you take the single denominators and whatever the numerators added directly. So in condition of like fractions, you take the single denominators and whatever the numerators added or subtracted directly. So in front of there is no sign, this is the positive one. So this is the minus 32 plus 12. So minus 12. So you are getting the series positive, negative, positive, negative. So I said one concept, arrange the all positive values one side, arrange the all negative values one side. This is the 81, this is the under negative, this is the positive, this is the negative. Add the all negative, add the all positive values. Next, add the all negatives, add the all negatives. But if when you are adding the all negative values, you should be put the sign of negative. So in this between these two numbers, positive 93 is more, then I am taking upside, and negative is low, so you are taking subtract. One positive, one negative, you should be subtract. So answer is 6, so 8, 4. But in between this, when positive negative, subtract should be subtract, but sign be depending upon big number, so big is positive. So answer become, answer of this series 43, 46 by 3. Okay na, 40, 46 by 3, this is the answer. Okay, next you are going to check here. Next you are going to check, this is the addition and subtraction of fractions, but you check the condition. This is the unlike fraction or like fraction, so denominators are appearing different, so this is the definitely unlike fraction. So you follow the condition of unlike fractions, cross multiplication or LCM. But here observe, this is the improper fraction, this is the improper fraction, so proper fraction. But here look at here, this is the mixed fraction. When you are getting the mixed fraction, then should be converted into improper fraction. I said one dialogue, improper fraction also called as mixed fraction also called as improper fraction. When you are getting mixed fraction, that should be convert into improper fraction. After that you solve the problems. So now you are going to observe here 6 plus how to convert improper mixed fraction into improper fractions. Whatever the denominators into side number plus 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 numerator remainder. Okay, so 7 5 ja 35 plus 3, these two numbers multiply and above number you should be add. Then 7 5 ja 35 plus 3, this is the 38 by 7 minus 14 by 6. So here observe, these all are denominators are different, so this is definitely unlike fraction. In condition of unlike fractions, you should be follow two ways, cross multiplication process or LCM process as your wish. So now I am doing LCM process. LCM process. So in this LCM process, whatever the denominators you take at a time. Whatever the denominators you take all denominators at a time. In LCM process, I said concept already. You check all those numbers, at least to two numbers or more than two numbers divisible by single number or not. So here 3 is divisible by 3 and 7 is not divisible by 3, that's why I wrote same. And but 3 6 is divisible by 2. Next again you are going to check at least two number is divisible by single number or not, there is no possible. So multiply now, multiply 3 into 1 into 7 into 2 means 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42. So you are taking 42. Okay now, whatever the getting LCM, every times the LCM divided term, first term of denominators, whatever the getting the coefficient, multiply with those numerators. So look at the process here, look at the process here. Next I am writing, this is 6. Look at the process here, whatever the getting LCM, that LCM is denominator every term of that LCM is divisible by every term of denominators. So whatever the getting coefficient, that coefficient multiply with whose numerators. So 1 ja 3, next remainder 1, next 4 ja 12. So you are getting coefficient is 14. This coefficient is multiply whose numerators, 72 into 14. After that, whatever the sign you are getting positive sign, then you put positive sign. Next again you are second come to second term. Second term is whose denominators is divisible LCM. Now LCM is divisible by whose denominators. So 7 7 6 ja 42. So 0, whatever the getting coefficient, that coefficient is multiply whose numerators, 38 into 6. Now you are getting sign, sign is negative sign. So again you are divisible by this term of denominators of LCM. So next 6 7 ja 42. So you are getting coefficient is 7, that 7 is multiplied by whose numerators. So now you are going to multiply 62 14 ja 62 14 ja, next 8 24, next 62. So 8, 6, 8. So answer you are getting 868 plus sign, then 38 into 6, 38 38 into 6, 48, 8, 18, 228 plus 228 minus sign is minus, next 14 7 ja 14 7 ja 112, 14 7 ja 112, and denominator how much? 42. You maintain denominators in that same manner. Maintain the denominator in same manner. So you are getting positive, positive, negative, positive, positive. You should be add so much 6, 9, 6, 9. Next 10 minus 112 by 42. Next one positive, one negative. You should be subtract. So 1096 is positive, 11, 112 is negative. So you should be subtract 4, 8 and 9. So this is the positive big number. So 984 is by 42. This is the answer. Or you are be simplifying this two number is divisible by 2. Then as your wish you are going to simplify. 2 4 ja, remainder 2 9 ja, 2 2 ja, next 2 2 ja 21. So 492 by 21. This is the answer. Okay, next you are going to check. This is the multiplication or division. This is the multiplication or division. This is the multiplication or division. So this is appearing is sign is multiplication. So in the condition of multiplications, numerators into numerators and denominators into denominators. Numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. So whatever the numerators, 5 into minus 2 into 5 by whatever the denominators, 7 into 3 into 4. In the condition of fraction of multiplication, just you follow numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. So let's you are multiply 5 2 ja 10, 10 5 ja 50. Let's here negative sign in front of, there is no sign. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus by 7 3 ja 21, 21 4 ja 21 4 ja 84. So this number is uh, simplify by 2, 225 ja, next 242 ja. So answer is minus 25 by 42. Okay, come to next problem. This is also appearing sign or multiplication of fractions, but 5 into 3 by 7 into 3 5 by 2 into 3 minus 5 by 8. Look at here board. In about this problem, here appearing mixed fractions. This is also mixed fraction. So when you are getting in problem mixed fractions, you should be convert into improper fraction. After that you solve the problems. Okay, so here appearing there is nothing sign, always fractions a by b form. So here no number is be there, then you feel this is 5 by 1. So next you this number and this number you convert into improper fraction. After that you solve 5 by 1 into 3 by 7 into, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Divisor into or denominator into side number. These two number is multiply plus above numbers. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 5 11 by 2 into 8 3 ja 24, 24 minus 24 plus 5, there is minus sign, but you don't think about the minus sign. Okay, you add the remainder. So 24 minus 29 by 8. Okay, somebody are asking this is the minus sign, then you should be removed. There is no need to remove, just you add, but that is the sign is that terms only. Okay, so now you are getting this complete in multiplication of fractions. In the condition of multiplication fractions, what rule we follow? Numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. Numerators, what are the number? 5 3 11 minus 29. 5 into 3 into 11 into minus 29 by 1 denominators 172, 172 into 8. Now you are going to multiply. Now you are going to multiply 5 3 ja 15, 15 11 ja, 15 11 ja. Let's you do solo inside. 165, 165 29 ja, 165 29 ja, 45 5. Next 54 58. Next 9 1 ja 9, 144. Next 0 13. Next 3. Next 5 8 7 4. So this answer you are getting 4785 by, let's you check the sign. This is the positive, this is the positive, this is the positive, this is negative. In among this positive you are appearing odd number of negative, then answer become negative. Okay, now you are appearing single number, single is odd number. If you are getting two negatives, then you definitely getting plus. If you are getting three negatives, when you are counting the negatives, you are getting three negatives, answer will be in negative. So now you are getting 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 14 14 8 ja 14 8 ja how much, 112, 14 8 ja 112. This is the answer. Okay, next you are going to next problem. Next problem is there is appearing, there is no appearing any number in denominators, then you feel that is the one. There is no appearing any numbers in denominators, you feel 1, because of this is in a by b form, then it should be in maintain a by b form, a by b form. So whereas there is no denominators, there is no number, then you should be follow that is 1. Okay, now in condition of multiplication of fractions, what is the rule? Numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. Numerator 3 into minus 3 into 6 by 1 into 7 into 1. Okay, now 1 into 7 into 1. So multiply 3 3 ja 9, 9 9 6 ja 54. Next check the sign. Positive into negative, negative, negative into positive, negative by 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7. This is the answer. Okay, next come to next problem. This is the fraction of division because of sign of division. Okay, now you should be check that is the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division of fractions. So in condition of division, there is first fraction there is no change, but second fractions numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators with multiplication condition, with multiplication condition. Let's you check. 7 by 3, numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators with multiplication condition. So numerators how much, 5, that will become in denominators, denominator becomes how much, 3, that's become numerators. So now you are changing in that condition, it's become multiplication fraction. So in the multiplication fractions you follow conditions, numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. 3 5. Next answer is 20, 21 by 15. Next come to the next problem. This two number is divisible by single number. How much? 21 by 15. 3 5 ja, next 3 7 ja, then answer is 7 by 5. Next come to the second problem. Next problem, here here appearing no numbers, so you feel always that is by 1. Okay, so it is being mixed fraction, then you should be convert into improper fractions. After that you are solving 1 divisible by 7 3 ja into 7 3 ja 21 plus 6 plus 5, sorry, plus 5, then you are getting 26 by 7. So this is the division of fractions. So in condition of division of fractions, there is first fraction no need to change, there is no need to change, but second fraction with multiplications, numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators. In this condition, this is a multiplication of fraction. In condition of multiplications, directly numerators into numerators, numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. Numerators are 7 into 7, denominators are 1 into 26. So 7 7 ja 49 by 26. This is the answer. Okay, come to next problem. Here we are getting division of fractions in three terms. We are getting division of fractions three terms, 1 2 3 terms. When you are getting in three terms, then you should be solve first two terms, after that include last term to you solve. So next I am solving first these two terms, means minus 2 by 7 divisible by 5 by 3. I am lifting this, I am removing this part. I am solving first two terms. So in condition of division, we know first fraction there is no change, but second fraction becomes with multiplication, numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators. So when you are changing, it's become multiplication of fraction. In condition of multiplications, numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. So how much? Minus 6 by 35. So how much you are getting? Minus 6 by 37. Whatever the part I left, that part you should be add here. You should be add here. After that you are going to solve. But here check, this is the mixed fraction. When any term you are getting in mixed fraction, you should be changed into improper fraction. After that you are going to solve. So next 635 by, so mixed fraction, denominators into side number plus this number above numerator. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 5 divisible symbol 8 by 3. So again you are getting division of fraction. When you are getting in division of fractions, first fraction there is no need to change, but second fraction with condition of multiplication, numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators. After that you are changing it, this fraction, division of fractions, if you are changed after, it's become multiplication of fractions. Okay, in the multiplication of fractions you have the rule, numerators into numerators, denominators into denominators. So minus 6 into 3, next 35 into 8. So 6 6 3 is 18, there is no sign, then positive, negative into positive, negative 6. Next 35 into 8, next 35 into 8, how much? 35 into 8, 40, 0, 24, 28, 280. This we are going to simplify. These two numbers are simplified by single numbers. 2 9 ja, next 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 0. Next answer how much? Minus 9 by 140. Minus 9 by 140. But when you are getting in mixed fraction, you should be convert into improper fraction. After that you are solving. Let's you observe, all of you focus. The fraction being addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So when we are getting in addition and subtraction of fractions, those are be like fraction or unlike fractions. Like fraction you can take single denominators, unlike fraction then you follow the LCM method or cross multiplication method. In multiplication of fractions, so you are in multiplication of fractions, we have the rule, denominators into denominators, numerators into numerators. In division of fractions you should be convert those first fraction, there is no need to change, but second fractions becomes numerators become denominators, denominators become numerators with sign of multiplications. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to I solve the fractions of addition, subtraction, division and multiplications. Okay, this is the homework for you. Okay, now when you are getting three terms of division, then you solve these two terms first, and whatever they getting the answer, that you add the last terms, again you follow that same rule. Okay, I hope all of you understanding, and every day you follow my videos, you definitely get the knowledge about the basics of mathematics. When you are getting the basics in any subject, then remaining any hard problems or any other competitive exam you can do very easily. That's why I started the videos from basics. After the basics I started the classes. So everyone should be follow the channel and subscribe and watch the everyday videos. Okay, thank you. Next videos will be in tomorrow.